I love you every single night. And if you ask me, this isn't how it's supposed to be. For me once, shame on you. For me twice, shame on me. The way you treat me, honey, you know it ain't fair. Every now when I come home, you got the same blank stare. And if you ask me, this isn't how it's supposed to be. For me once, shame on you. For me twice, shame on me. I love you every single night. And if you ask me, this isn't how it's supposed to be. For me once, shame on you. For me twice, shame on me. For me once, shame on you. For me twice, shame on me. It's hard. With some daylight in the shopping mall, interrupted by your cell phone call. Oh baby, I wish that I did it for me. Yeah, for me. Your only talent is the clothes you wear. A world around you, but you don't care. Oh baby, I wish that I did it for me. I am living life on the road. Now city, just another day. I can't imagine any other way. Oh, babe, you know that's what does it for me. Yeah, for me. I am living life on the road, not just doing what I've been told. 'Cause I was born to rock and roll. Yeah, I am living life on the road. I'm not a stripper or a centerfold. 'Cause I was born to rock and roll.
You just want to hear something that don't really matter, don't really make sense. Lyrics are really white, no bars. I get it. You want to hear bass, you want to hear radio, cool. But not me right now, baby. Yeah.
I SMH your face. I see them face to face. That cannot take my place. I'm bathed in amazing grace. I'm just trying to go home. Why they take a base? The devil getting mad when that boy be gone from state to state. A force to be reckoned with, dealing with hecklers, surpassing the pessimist. Your baby don't shoot the messenger. I'm definitive with it. Won't fall like a circumcision. King of that vintage, baby, living risen. Above the corporate schemes, American dreams. This industry is controlled by Bavarian creams. Easy to stomach, sweet on the outside. A lot of you love it, so I feel a lot smarter than the Indian in the cupboard. I'm individual, but I roll with the master brand enterprise. I always stand for truth, so you know I never fall for lies. You say Illuminati, I say the devil. If this world wants to use me, I play the rebel and never settle. Ancient Illuminati temples. 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 Yeah. They say I'm deranged, up out of my brain. I got venom inside my veins, breaking backs like I'm Bane. I refuse to be enslaved by these doctors of devils. Even your favorite rappers probably sleep nights in the temple. I change it up to win the world and none of you can stop me. There's no man, woman, the demon in hell, their own body. I'm an open book, it's really easy to see through. I wouldn't be a slave of Christ if I was here to please you. Some say that I'm great, others want to complain. But if I do this for the fame, then I'm living in chains. People looking for signs of evil up in everything. But you can't waste your time if you say that you know the king. And I know none of us are perfect, man, we'll all get judged. But I'll be damned if I don't stand on God when push comes to shove. I dare you to expose me, take a look into my life. When I bleed, all you really see is the blood of Christ. Ancient Illuminati temples. 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 Ancient Illuminati temples.
It's the ancient Illuminati temple. I don't got the time to tell you how these words are meant to spill from my brain to the page from inside of my pencil. It's confidential, like a magic trick. The other day I felt like giving up on this music, woo, but I ain't having it. Promise.